For gold futures, in this video I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 100 chart. We are approaching to NUGT territory. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we are slightly in NUGT, but we're seeing signs of a diverge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge as well. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $165.95, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $168.04, and my stop loss is at $165.43. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $169.09, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $166.47, and my stop loss is at $169.62. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop the trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day of wicked trading, gold futures has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 1%, and to the downside it has a 67% chance to fall between -1 to -2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.